northbound along Central, just south of Indian School. Now he's hitting eastbound, and he just hit some more barricades. Absolutely unbelievable. This guy doesn't care what he hits.
Hi, Sky Backup News, Chopper 3. We're following a police chase that's going on about the last 30 minutes here. This white truck, flat truck you see here with tank. There's about 2 dozen police cars between the Phoenix Police Department along with the Phoenix Fire Police helicopter following this guy. Don't know what he's wanted for. It all started about 30 minutes ago. 7th Street, McDowell. He did try to ram a police car. And we understand, well, he pulled over right now, about to get out. Looks like he's starting to run. Got several units between police on tail right here. And Chip Chase looks like he's going to try to take another vehicle here. We'll see if they'll block him in. It looks like they've got him blocked in there, but he did.
We're going to pull out, we don't know what has just happened right there. It looks like the